Only ancient manual skills can transform the noble products of the earth in timeless tastes. Bread is the food that transports us the most to our origins. Creating a connection between the peoples of the land. The best grains, grown naturally with heat, become food for our soul. The time for quality and respect has arrived. The nobility of the gesture is balanced with the slowness of leavening. A fragrance, a scent of bread, has an intrinsic and infinite value. Discovering the pleasure of cooking bread, pasta, pizza, brings us closer to ourselves. Thanks to our origins, we are what we are, and we like to help rediscover it.